trying 3 different ramen recipes. I'm gonna let y'all know if they're worth trying it at home yourself. So let's get started.
Enchanté.
The first recipe I'm trying is a stir-fry method, so add in your oil, garlic, stir that around, and then I'm adding in onions, celery, carrots, and just mixing them until they're about 70% cooked. And then I pushed everything to one side so that I can cook the egg. I just did it in one pan just because I didn't want to wash multiple pans. And all I did was just stir that and scramble it.
Enchanté.
And then mix it all together. Then I added the ramen seasoning that came with the ramen. Then mix that all together. And then add in your noodles. Then mix all of that all together for about a minute or two. To be sure that they are done, I just did a little taste test. Then I plated it. That looks so good. And topped it off with some green onions.
So this is the final result. I did a stir fry, so I'm gonna try it out and see if it was worth it. Normally I really like ramen with the broth, even if it is like a hot day, but I've never tried a stir fry before, so looks good. Let's try it. This is really good. I would totally make this again. Out of 10, I would rate this I'd rate this a good 7, maybe even 8. It's really good. I didn't think it was going to be this good because like it looks very colorful on camera, but in person I thought it would have needed more salt and stuff like that, but I didn't put any additional seasoning, and it's fucking bomb. So also I'm eating this in the room because Caesar has a meeting right now, so I couldn't film this in the kitchen, so that's why I'm in like a room and like eating. But honestly, it's really good. The spiciness is really good. All you need for seasoning is just the packet, and I just threw in like vegetables that you know I had laying around, like carrots, celery, green onions, and eggs. It's so good that I can't stop eating it, but I have to because I have 2 more ramen methods I want to try out. Whew. So stir fried method, fuck yeah, get up and try it.
The second method I did was a milk broth. First, you just want to cook your noodles. So then after your noodles are cooked, strain them and set it aside. I'm going to be using almond milk just because I didn't have any whole milk. Add in about 2 cups of almond milk or 2.5. Then drop in your noodles and then just gently mix it around. And then add in your seasoning. Then give that a good mix. And then to spice it up a little bit more, I added some chili flakes. And to give that another mix. And then plate. And then I topped it off with some green onions.
So now I'm going to be trying the milk broth one. My camera's dying, so I have to do this quick. Wow. It's weird because I actually kind of like it and I didn't think I was going to like this one. So I used almond milk, and the video that I saw, he used whole milk. So I bet with whole milk, it would taste really good as well. But with almond, it's honestly not too bad. It's good. If you want like a more creamier broth, definitely substitute water out for milk. I'd rate this like a 6. I'd say it's worth trying. It's not too hard. You honestly just have to strain it. So, like a 6. On to the next one.
So the last recipe is going to be a cold noodle. I'm going to start off making the sauce for the cold noodles first. So add in the ramen seasoning, sugar, vinegar, soy sauce, and I added in a little bit of sesame oil. And then half a cup of water. Give it a good mix. Add in some ice cubes so the sauce will be cold. Here I am just plating it, so I cooked the noodles already ahead and they've been straining. I'm adding some cucumbers and some carrots, topped it off with some green onions, and then I pour the cold sauce over the ramen.
Enchanté. Dansez.
Oh wow.
It's a 10, huh?
It's definitely a 10. That is really good. It's like sweet, but a little bit sour. But it's definitely super refreshing on this hot day. Like, as you can see, my hair is already up because it just got so hot all of a sudden. Cold noodles, this is so worth it. Like, freaking try this. It's a whole nother flavor. That was it. That was my 3 ways of ramen. Definitely the cold noodles is my favorite, and then the stir-fried one, and then the milk one. But overall, I really highly recommend you try the cold noodle and then the stir-fry. And then the milk broth one, if you have whole milk, definitely try it and let me know how that tastes versus almond milk. But for me, the almond milk was just like not as great as like whole milk, right? I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Also, let me know what recipes you guys have seen but we're just too lazy to make it, because I would be more than happy to make it and let y'all know if it was worth to try it out as well. So yeah, thanks guys so much for watching, and let me know which ones you guys tried out. Cool, bye.